Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is, what it's used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this product. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Solutions Humane live animal traps are sturdy, rust-resistant, single-door cage traps that provide a safe and humane method of trapping and relocating wild animals. Every live trap is equipped with a pressure-sensitive trigger plate that is armed with a steel rod at the side of the trap. Simply push the door lock in, hold the door open, and pull the trigger arm forward. You'll know the trap is armed when you let go of the door and the trigger arm's hook holds it in place. Once triggered, the door shuts quickly with the door lock wedging the door tightly shut in order to ensure a safe and secure capture. These live animal traps are designed with smooth edges so that the animal does not injure itself during transport or if it struggles inside. Every trap comes with a handle guard that helps minimize direct physical contact with wild animals. Our small and medium traps are also built with solid steel doors to provide you with further protection. The Solutions Humane live animal traps come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. The small trap is zinc plated, while the medium and large traps are powder coated. This will ensure the traps do not rust over time and can be used through inclement weather. The small trap is 17 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 7 inches in height. It's perfect for animals like squirrels, rabbits, and chipmunks. The medium trap is 32 inches by 10 inches by 12 inches. It can be used for animals like skunks, raccoons, or possums. The large trap is 42 inches in length and 15 inches tall and wide. It's ideal for medium to larger sized animals like stray or feral cats, dogs, or foxes. Be sure you're using the right size trap for your pest animal. Before using your live trap, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. Wear gloves and long sleeves anytime you handle this trap, not just for the sake of safety and sanitation, but also to prevent leaving behind human scent, which will dissuade wild animals from approaching. First, you'll want to identify which animal you're trying to trap. This is key to determining which size trap you'll need and what kind of bait you'll be using. After identifying your animal, choose the right bait to lure the target into the trap. Squirrels and chipmunks will forage for nuts and seeds, while cats and dogs will be attracted to fish or meat. Some animals like raccoons will eat anything, but they enjoy sweet food. Visit our website for more live animal trapping guides and more information on which baits work best for different wild animal pests. The most effective spots for your live traps are going to be where you've noticed animal activity. Place your trap along the edge of your property or close to any food or water sources you've found and away from human or pet activity. Physical boundaries like fence lines, dense foliage, and garden edging make great placement guides, so place your trap in these areas. Place your bait at the rear of the trap behind the trap's pressure-sensitive trigger plate. This will force the animal deeper into the trap before it activates, ensuring a successful capture. After you've placed your bait, arm the trap holding the door open and pulling the trigger arm towards the direction the trap is facing, making sure the trigger arm's hook catches the door and prevents it from closing. You may want to anchor your trap by placing a brick or cinder block on top of it. This will prevent particularly aggressive foragers like raccoons from knocking the trap over, rendering it useless. Check your trap twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Constantly being near the trap or checking it often will potentially dissuade animals from approaching the trap. With the right placement and bait, you can expect to catch your target animal within a few days of setting your live trap. After you've successfully caught an animal, place a towel over the cage to avoid frightening the animal. Do not leave an animal trapped for more than 24 hours. Contact local authorities like animal control to confirm laws in your area about animal trapping and make sure you're correctly relocating the animal. Travel to your release location, which should be about 20 miles from where you caught the animal. Place the trap on the ground with the door facing away from you and open the trap. The Solutions Humane live animal traps provide a safe and efficient form of wild animal pest control, but the medium and large traps could demand some extra maneuverability from their owners. The larger traps can make it difficult to place bait dishes in the rear of your trap. If you're having trouble baiting your trap, you can try other methods of baiting such as digging a small hole, filling the hole with bait, and placing the trap over it. You can also tie the trap's door to the roof of the cage while you're baiting. This will prevent the unarmed trap from shutting on you as you reach inside. Because the small trap does not feature a powder-coated finish, it may reflect light, deterring your target animal from approaching, and may require camouflaging. Due to the trap's wire mesh design, it is unlikely to catch mice or other similar-sized pests. A mouse can squeeze through spaces as small as a dime. If there are mice on your property that you wish to relocate, check out the multi-catch Humane mouse trap. This trap provides safe and clean trapping and makes relocating easy and clean as well. Wild animals pose a risk to our property and health, but you can humanely control them with professional-grade products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. Our Humane live animal traps will help you safely remove wild animals from your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Click the icon in the top right corner of the screen to visit our website and see more live trapping guides.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.